Try take the rear rotor out.
I'm gonna take rotors down.
It's on fire, it's on fire.
Alright, watch out, that thing's on fire.
What's the problem? I'm trying to fly. You're fucking shooting at me. What the fuck?
I'll just back up from Nelly. It's gonna actually
What is your problem?
Yeah,
Tame this
let
fucker.
that burn.
What the fuck?
Hey, come over here with us. Come over here.
What is
Walk.
the problem?
Put your hands up and walk to the TAC units.
Why are you shooting? My helicopter down.
He's not too happy.
I couldn't give a shit how happy he is.
Why are y'all shooting me down?
Hey, hands.
Face away!
Hands.
No, why are you
SWAT,
shooting
face
me
away!
down?
Let's see your hands!
Y'all want the fucking
Face
army?
away or we're gonna put the
Okay,
canine
shoot
on
me.
you!
Fuck you, bitch! Fucking got to
Oh.
about it. Ah, shit.
Fuck. Don't try to attack me like that.
Jeez. Silver, I need a
Tried
med
to attack
bag.
me. I got one on the heli.
What the fuck?
I'm the O1 of the air certain piece here, so
Here you go.
I'm not SWAT trained though.
You got 2 SWAT supervisors right here.
Yeah, but you wanna know something?
Huh.
For some reason, I
Jeez,
have
we
to
did
be
not have to
fully
shoot this guy.
retrained, and it's so bullshit because you wanna know something?
Yeah, we shot this dude down because of how
no,
he was
so-
flying very recklessly.
So basically, I got trained by Seppi, and then Seppi said that I have to go on a
Seppi
ride
is
along
an incompetent idiot.
Whoa.
And then he said that I had to go on a ride along with him. He then transferred departments, and I'm like, well, he's never said it to anyone, so now I'm just stuck. Like,
I was gonna say we're FTOs for SWAT.
Apparently,
Yeah, not FTOs.
even though
We're only FTAs.
like I've asked so many times, will he do a training in my time zone? Guess what? The last training was done by Seppi.
And that was my
actually.
training.
Yeah, legit last month. Yeah, I just need to be trained to SWAT.
Jeez.
Fucker shouldn't have charged me when I'm standing here with an AR. That was his own fault.
Yeah, we had a canine right there. You really did not have to shoot him.
Bro,
I didn't think
asked a
Silver could
million
get to him in
times.
time.
That was a bit pointless.
Well, you don't charge a dude who's sitting there holding an AR at your
Remember,
face.
It's nearly 8 p.m. already for me.
So, that's kind of a him problem, not a me problem.
Hmm.
If he wants
Jeez.
to go with it.